In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit mobile version Webflow website builder. We'll walk through the Webflow designer together and make sure your site looks great on phones and smaller screens, using the built-in breakpoints and a quick publish at the end. First, open your project in the Webflow designer. Once the canvas loads, look toward the top of the interface where you'll see the device icons. These are your breakpoints: desktop, tablet, mobile landscape, and mobile portrait. They let you view and style the same page at different sizes, so you can tailor the experience for smaller devices without affecting larger ones. You may see a notice about default canvas widths reflecting modern device sizes. Go ahead and dismiss that message so you can clearly see the canvas. It's just letting you know Webflow has updated the preview widths to better match today's phones and tablets. Now, start by selecting the tablet icon, then work your way down to mobile landscape and mobile portrait. Each time you click the highlighted controls, you're switching the canvas to that breakpoint and revealing the related settings in the interface. As you move through these views, pay attention to spacing, font sizes, and how elements stack. Remember, styles cascade from larger to smaller breakpoints, so changes on mobile won't affect desktop, but changes on desktop do flow down unless you override them at a smaller size. Use the highlighted panels and controls to check common trouble spots: long headlines that wrap awkwardly, buttons that feel too wide, images that need smaller max widths, and sections that need tighter padding. If an element feels crowded, reduce margins or padding only on that mobile breakpoint. If something is unnecessary on phones, like a decorative graphic, you can hide it on mobile while keeping it visible on larger screens. Keep your line lengths comfortable and ensure text remains readable. Slightly increasing line height on mobile often helps. Work methodically. Navbar, hero, content sections, grids or columns, and footer. When you encounter stacked layouts, confirm that columns collapse cleanly into a single column and that alignment still feels intentional. Also watch for overflow. If content clips at the edges, adjust widths or set image